What has America come to weather? Why is there so much hate? Why can't we be like birds of a feather? Why do we have two parties? Is this to separate good from evil? It does not work this way. Let's come together like birds of a feather. Let's spread love all around. Let's see how many can be found. We can all live in harmony. It is really not so difficult. This is the way we all become free. Let's come together like birds of a feather. Let's start today. Let's show the world that we are not afraid. A wave or a smile will go a long way. Let's come together like birds of a feather. Let's just be a feather. Give your love and see what comes. This is how we weather. Let's come together like birds of a feather. Let's come together and be one. Let's come together like birds of a feather.